Is your Galaxy Watch failing to record an ECG when you need it most? Don't worry, because I have the quick fixes to get your heart health tracking back on track right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually the ECG fails because of a poor connection between the sensor and your skin, or a simple software glitch between your watch and your phone. Let us get this fixed immediately. Step 1 is to clean the sensors. Use a soft cloth with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to wipe the back of the watch and the top button. Body oils and dried sweat can easily block the electrical signal. Step 2 is to moisten your skin. A very dry wrist can stop the electrical circuit from completing. Apply a tiny bit of water or lotion to your wrist and finger before trying the scan again. Step 3 is to tighten your watch band. If the watch is sliding around, the sensors cannot maintain a steady connection. Move the watch slightly up your arm away from the wrist bone for the best contact. Step 4 is to ensure you are using a Samsung phone. Most people do not realize that the official ECG feature is locked to the Samsung Health Monitor app, which is only available on the Galaxy Store. Step 5 is to update the Samsung Health Monitor app on both your phone and your watch. An outdated version can cause the app to crash or stay stuck on the initializing screen. Step 6 is to check your age settings. The ECG feature is legally restricted to users 18 years and older. Ensure your Samsung profile has your correct birth year, or the feature will remain disabled. Step 7 is to restart both devices. Hold down the power buttons on your watch and your phone simultaneously. This clears out temporary cache files that might be interfering with the sensor data. Step 8 is to disable power saving mode. Low power settings often throttle the sensors to save battery life, which can cause the ECG to fail mid-scan. Turn it off until you finish your reading. Step 9 is to stay completely still and quiet. Even small movements or talking can create electrical noise that ruins the reading. Rest your forearm on a flat table during the 30-second countdown. Step 10 is to reset the Samsung Health Monitor app. Clear the cache and data for the app in your phone settings and set it up from scratch. This usually fixes any deep software bugs. Here is a quick bonus tip for you. If you are in a country where ECG is not officially supported, you can look into the modified Samsung Health Monitor apps available online to unlock the feature. If you face any difficulty with these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get it working. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your health data is important, and now you have the tools to keep it running perfectly.